here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're a subscriber. I heard you can make your own seaweed fertilizer just by literally just picking up seaweed from the ocean and chopping it up and breaking it down and putting it in the garden. And I don't know if you have ever purchased kelp or seaweed fertilizer, but it can get pretty expensive. But the results, plants just love it. They go nuts. So after years of living in California, I finally took my lazy beep to the ocean and started collecting a bunch of seaweed from the beach. Now the trick is now, I think I got about a 50-pound bag of it. I got to drag it all the way back to the car. It's probably about a half a mile away at this point. But you can come over here and see what we got in the bag so far. We got kelp. Got seaweed. Look at this stuff. How beautiful is that? You know, it's just got to be good when it's that color, right? So I'm pretty excited to try this experiment for the first time and see if I can actually make my own kelp / seaweed fertilizer. I think the garden was amazing last year, but I think with this year the garden's going to be crazy. So stay tuned and I'll give you an update on how this worked out. I'm going to do a little more research on the exact process of this, though. I think it's going to be more like me just chopping it up and tossing it around the top of the soil and letting it decompose through the winter months. All right, thanks for coming to my channel. I'm trying to keep things interesting and exciting. If you like my quick money-saving tips, rants, raves, organic gardening, mushroom hunting, and occasional magic, please subscribe. It helps. Take care of yourselves, but most of all, let's take care of each other, because how we treat each other on the street is our ultimate reality. Bye for now. Seaweed!